Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this industrial-style platform bed. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this bed, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This bed ships in this tall and heavy box shown here. Here is the metal-framed footboard. And here is the metal-framed headboard. The heavy-duty metal on the headboard and footboard is high quality and adds sturdiness to the overall structure of the bed. Here are the two metal supports for the side rails of the bed. And here is the center support leg for the bed. Here are the two center support beams. Here are the two metal headboard legs. And here is the set of 10 metal slats that your mattress will lay across. Here is the middle cross support beam. Here are the 4 metal side rails for the bed. Here are the 2 cross supports for the head and foot of the bed. Here's the pre-organized pack of hardware. This is a major plus because you won't have to do any organizing yourself before the assembly. And finally, here's the instruction manual. Inside, you can see a full list of all the parts and a full list of all the hardware as well. They also use these enlarged illustrations to help guide the assembly. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your bed, the #1 tip to properly assembling this bed is to finger tighten the bolts first before finally fully tightening them. This bed only uses machine bolts for hardware, so the bed parts cannot be restricted since the hardware needs to fit exactly into their corresponding holes. So in order to seamlessly get the bolts to fit properly, the bed parts need to be loose before fully tightening the bolts. Now there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up, and 99% of the time it's because they have over-tightened a bolt and it's restricting the bed parts from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each hardware piece by first finger tightening them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the bed sits level to the floor. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the bed, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid stripping the bolts. Now to quickly review this industrial-style bed, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this bed is super sleek and effortlessly combines style and durability. Right off the bat, you'll notice the striking blend of dark finishes between the wood elements and the frosted metal frame. This combination creates an industrial rustic aesthetic that's not only visually appealing, but also gives your room its own unique flair. And the headboard and footboard feature square corners, adding to the sleek modern look. Plus, the wood material is waterproof, making it super easy to clean with just a damp towel. But it's not just about looks. This bed is built to last. The frame is made of high-quality iron and engineered wood, ensuring durability and stability. It boasts reinforced metal slats and heavy-duty support feet, capable of supporting up to 800 pounds, so you can sleep soundly knowing your bed is as tough as it is stylish. And here's something you'll love. It's noise-free. Thanks to the sound-absorbing sponge material on the center support beams and the unique rubber lock design, the metal slats stay in place and don't shift, eliminating any annoying squeaks and creaks. Plus, the plastic foot plugs at the bottom help reduce noise even further. And if you're short on storage, then you're in luck because his bed features 12 inches of underbed clearance, perfect for storing shoes, bins, bags, and even small suitcases. To top things off, there's no need for a box spring, just pop on your mattress and you're good to go. Now as for the assembly, it took just under an hour and a half to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, a drill isn't required for the assembly if you aren't comfortable using power tools. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 2 to 3 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this bed as it combines functionality, style, and durability all in one. So if you're looking to transform your sleep space into a sleek, industrial-style haven, then I would highly recommend this metal bed frame. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.